This is a bit of a weird way to start a recipe for us, but I'm here to tell you this is the day after the Bucks won the NBA Finals in 6 games. I am still on a high, and we have to do something to celebrate. So this Greek-inspired gyro burger is an homage to Giannis, the 50 points he dropped, Finals MVP. Giannis, we love you. Stay forever, please. So we actually had this burger planned before that happened, but now it seems really fitting. And how we're gonna do this is start with our ground lamb, add some ingredients in, do a process that you might think of as a bit of a meatloaf process, form some burgers, grill them up, and then put them in pita pockets with all your favorite gyro toppings. The first step in making these burgers is taking our ground lamb, and then we're gonna do that kind of meatloaf process I talked about. So we got the lamb, we have an egg that's beaten, we have some onion powder, garlic powder, chopped up fresh parsley and mint. That's gonna bring that Greek type of flavor, that gyro thing going, some breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of lemon juice. So put this in our mixing bowl. There we go. I'm gonna use my bare hands. All of this is gonna get thrown out that I don't use. Everybody mixes with their bare hands, it's much easier. So add that in, kind of spread it out. Add in egg. Go. Season it with this mixture of equal parts garlic powder, onion powder, fresh herbs, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and our lemon juice. Now it's time to mix. I love to use hands, because hands let you really work it through your fingers. Turn it over, and just make sure you feel it and get everything mixed together. As it comes together, you can feel the egg breaks up the texture a little bit, makes it a little smoother. Breadcrumbs and the herbs stick it back together. So, there we go. I'm gonna start making our burger patties now. To make our burgers, I'm gonna split this into 6 pieces, so you get about 1/3 pound burgers. You can do 8 if you want more burgers to get 1/4 pound burgers, but I like a little bit bigger burger. Now, what you're gonna get with using lamb for this instead of ground beef is a little richer flavor. And when you think of the Greek seasonings, all the onion and tzatziki sauce and things you're gonna throw around with this, I think lamb stands up to it. Plus it's traditional. We're celebrating Giannis in Greece, so lamb sounds good. So to make these burger patties, I like to just make my round balls of meat in the right amounts. You can see this one's pretty small, this one's pretty big, so we're gonna take some of the meat off of the bigger one, put on that one. We're good to go. So go ahead, roll this out, and start patting it like this. Kind of form the edges with your thumb all the way around. That gives it that nice hand-patted burger. And kind of put your little indent in the middle there. That'll help it cook nice and evenly. We like to do our little indent in the middle because as the heat hits the burger, that lets it cook evenly and keeps it from shriveling up and keeps it flat and juicy as it cooks. It's a little easy trick to do that if you're doing hand-patted burgers, helps a lot. We're gonna fast forward through this so you don't have to watch all of it. We now have 6 beautiful lamb burger patties that are ready to go on the grill. So let's go outside to the grill and get our cooking going. We got the grill set up, direct heat, 400, 425, somewhere in there, that nice medium-high heat. Got our 6 burgers directly over each of the burners. This is gonna be so good. You can hear them sizzling. We're gonna let them grill for about 4 minutes aside. Flip them over. You see I put the dimples up. We're gonna let them cook for about 4 minutes, flip them over, let them go for another 4 minutes, and then we're gonna go assemble those gyro burgers in our pita pockets. It's gonna be so good. The time has come. It is the time to assemble these ground lamb gyro burgers. I'm so excited. We have our pita pocket here. Let's open it up. We're gonna start with some tzatziki sauce. We're just gonna go ahead, Spoon that in, spread it around. Who needs ketchup when you could have tzatziki? Put in some lettuce. Lettuce. Put in our burger. And some red onion slices. A little bit of tomato. And of course, feta cheese. Giannis, I hope you're proud. That is a tasty burger. The lamb, very flavorful. The consistency is delicious with how we made that patty ourselves. You get the freshness of the mint. The tzatziki sauce with it is delicious. All the toppings, you know they work together on a gyro. They work great on this burger. Oh, I love this. So if you want to up your summer grilling game or just celebrate Greece, Giannis dropping 50 in the NBA Finals, go ahead and make one of these brown lamb gyro burgers. You can get all of the ingredients and directions on our website. We have a link below. Of course, you can get everything you need to make this at Lake Geneva Country Meats. So stop on in, say hello. Can't wait to see you soon at Lake Geneva Country Meats.